welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely smoothie mix for the ladies' drink. Men can have it also, but it's gonna be a mostly for the ladies. You know what I mean? Keep the lady them in shape and in good condition. Anyway, today welcome back, guys. I'm just gonna explain it, the whole details, how to make this quick, very smoothie mix for the ladies. Enjoy the recipe. So, first of all, I have some strawberries. I know the ladies them love strawberry. Straight inside of my smoothie blender. That's one of the main things where you need to have. You need to have a smoothie blender like this one, guys. Really very important for you to have in your kitchen. Alright? So, we got 2 strawberry, 1 medium apple, red apple, not green, red apple, 1 medium red apple, straight inside of it. I cut up this earlier and I have it, and I say, you know, I'm gonna make a smoothie for the ladies. This is roughly 2, 3, 7 leaf of spinach. Spinach, you can get it at local shop, supermarket to buy. Straight inside of it like this. This is raspberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 raspberry. Straight inside of it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of pineapple, small pineapple. Right here we have to put 4 tablespoons of water inside of it. That's 4 tablespoons of water inside of the smoothie blender. Nice and lovely. Then next thing, we're gonna put some honey straight inside of it. Roughly 2 large spoons of honey. Nice one. Cover it. It's very important for our smoothie blender to hold. Some now they are using the bullet. So, next thing, remove this and put it aside. Make sure your work surface is very clean. That's one of the most important things for Chef Ricardo. Next thing is, as I can see, I have a lot of ingredients over here, guys. Sorry about that, but as I can see, I got all my whisks and all the things the same way. Orange, pineapple, all sorts of things. So, next thing, alright, is simple. Get a glass, just like that. Nice and lovely. Alright, so as you can see exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this lovely smoothie. What we're gonna do next is simple. Put just, you don't need ice, but to make it really cold and chilly, you can put a piece of ice inside of the glass. Give it a shake. Simple. Pour that beautiful smoothie straight inside of it like this. Oh man, look at that. This is for the ladies. Ladies, welcome to Chef Ricardo cooking program. I have to look after the ladies. I know they love their drink, and that it is right here. Guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you guys. As you can see, this is a smoothie, and I know you guys will love it. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye-bye. coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.